Now, we will learn about data manipulation language statements: insert, update, delete. Let's discuss about data manipulation language, DML. As a data analyst, the majority of your work will focus on insight generation, and you will be working with DML commands. The typical commands available in DML are insert, update, delete. Let's discuss about insert command. Inserting records in table. The insert into statement is used to insert new records in a table. It is possible to write the insert into statement in two ways. The first way specifies both the column names and the values to be inserted. Syntax is: if you are adding values for all the columns of the table, you do not need to specify the column names in the SQL query. Make sure the order of the values is in the same order as the columns in the table. The insert into syntax would be as follows. We have created an empty customers table. Now we will insert values into it using insert statement. The insert statement is used to create new records in a table. The personal_info table will now look like this. Now we will learn about update command. Let's discuss about updating existing records. The update statement is used to modify the existing records in a table. Syntax is: note, be careful when updating records in a table. Notice the word clause in the update statement. The word clause specifies which record S that should be updated. If you omit the word clause, all records in the table will be updated. We are updating name as John where country is USA. The personal_info table will now look like this. Now we will learn about delete command. Let's discuss about deleting records. The delete statement is used to delete existing records in a table. Syntax is: note, be careful when deleting records in a table. Notice the word clause in the delete statement. The word clause specifies which records should be deleted. If you omit the word clause, all records in the table will be deleted. We are deleting the first row where name is Joy. The personal_info table will now look like this.